Hi, I'm Kamal Chilaka. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who don't know me, I'm a fine art and landscape photographer based out of Chennai, India. And I make videos about the art of photography and photo and video gear. Today I have a small unboxing for you. We're going to do the unboxing of the RODE Wireless Go 2 system, the wireless mic system with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. And this is the updated Wireless Go compared to the old Wireless Go. Why am I looking at this? Actually, I've been struggling with audio right from the time I started making these YouTube videos. I initially started with the onboard mic of my camera, which I'm shooting right now. Right now I'm recording with my Leica SL2, and this is the onboard mic system, so you can make out how the audio is.
I then decided to upgrade my audio.
This was my first mic, and it worked fine. This is the RODE Go mic. It's a pretty decent mic for what it does. It's can be mounted on the hot shoe of my camera, and it can also be extended using cable like this. And it worked fine for me for a few videos, but then I started realizing I needed to improve my audio based on your feedback. So I just decided to get the a wireless system. It's an older Asden system, generic type, and it's to support that I got myself a Maono Lav Mic. But the whole thing was just getting me frustrated, and I knew I needed a proper solution because I was making videos regularly now, and I just needed something to just make my workflow a lot easier and better. So I finally decided to spend the money and get this one. The RODE Wireless Go 2, the second iteration of this. I've been following this Wireless Go product right from its first variant, which came out maybe about a year or two back, but just found it slightly expensive, and I'm not sure whether I really needed it. But after making about 25 videos now and having all the struggles with audio and the audio workflow, I decided because of my recording room, I have problems with the noise from the air conditioning, and I also sometimes we need to put on the generator because we have frequent power cuts here. I needed a better solution with better noise cancelling features, and decided to splurge on this, the RODE Wireless Go 2.
In a way, I'm glad I waited because for just a little bit more money, roughly about $100 more, you get 2 transmitters with this system, the Wireless Go, and the additional transmitter allows me to have another person on the show, say when I'm conducting an interview, or if you just want to record an extra channel of audio.
So let's get on with the unboxing, and at the end of this video I will record a segment of this video using the lav mic, and you can see for yourself the difference it makes. Okay, I had to do things different. I had to kind of rip things apart to get inside. There's quite a few things inside. Let's take this one out. This looks like a nice pouch. Oh, it's a nice pouch. Bunch of cables. For charging. I'm guessing 1 USB-C cable for charging each transmitter and receiver, so 3 in total. And then you have the cable that can connect for the receiver to connect to the camera, and this nice pouch to carry the whole set. And now let's get the actual devices. It's in this nice, so it's well packaged. So these are the contents inside the box. So let's actually, oh wow, that's so nice. So here you have receivers and each of them comes with a nice dead cat for sound deadening, to reduce wind noise, and this is kajala to keep the whole thing dry. Nice. And here we have a quick start guide and these 3 receivers, so it's fixed to the back. So let's take them out. Wow, nice. Oh, they're so tiny, they're much smaller than I thought they would be. Yeah. So these look, there's no marking to say is this a receiver or they all look the same. Yeah, this one has the LCD screen, so this I'm guessing is the receiver, and these two are the transmitters. And this is the, you can see the mic portion, and this is provision to add a lav mic or an external mic. This, the receiver has got an LCD screen, and all of them come with this nice clip to clip onto clothing or a belt or something like that. So I also picked up this Maono Lav Mic to use with the wireless Go 2, just in case I needed a lav mic in certain situations. This was not very expensive, just cost about I think 600 rupees or so. I'll add a link to this mic also in the description box, so you can get that if you want. And I'll add its performance details in my review video, so watch out for that. And that was the unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go 2. Hope you found it interesting and useful. And I'm actually recording this segment using the Wireless Go system. I have the transmitter here and the receiver mounted on my Leica SL2. I'm sure you can make out the difference in audio quality compared to the rest of the video. This is what a good wireless mic system can do to your videos. It can really elevate the audio and therefore elevate your videos as well. And I discovered that very late, but I guess better late than never. So I'm really excited about this mic system and looking forward to using this in my upcoming videos. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and the bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Till the next video, take care, bye bye.